Hello guys, you are watching my YouTube channel Computer Errors and Actions. Today I am going to show you how can you install Quickkill latest version which was recently launched 26 version. Just watch my video carefully and install the new version of Quickkill which can protect your computer better than the older version. Just watch the video carefully. Open your browser, just type Quickkill, then click on Quickkill. Just click on Quickkill antivirus security. Here you just go to download. Here is the upgrade software version here, and click. Just go downwards. This is total security 26 version which is released newly, and this is internet security, and this is pro, and you have to download by clicking the download buttons. This is server edition antivirus, and this is Quickkill essential. Just I am going to download Quickkill total security 26 version. I am just click on download button. Just you see download has been started and completed. Then double click this exe file to run. After that, it is extracting the file for installation. You see this is the license agreement. You have to check this. Let's start. Then your latest version antivirus is going to download now. After complete of download, just click to install. Just watch the process carefully to install this antivirus. Now click on next. This is the location of your hard disk. Installation in progress. Just wait until complete. After installation completed, then you have to put your product key here. I have already put my key, and you have to create a password as complex to save your computer from removing any software or installing. This is a complex password. Click next, then click on activate. Then my antivirus program is on activation process. successfully activated. I am just launching my new version of Quickly antivirus. Just I am going to show you some new features, performance and performance booster. Means your PC will be tuned up by cleaning different icons like disk cleanup, registry cleanup, trace cleanup, defragment of your hard disk will be completed. It may take more times. First time it has been completed 39%. It will be take more time at the time of 39%. Disk is cleaning up now. This new version software launched on 28th October 2025, which I have been installed. You can upgrade your Quickly antivirus any version, and you have to watch the software requirement at the beginning. I have given a screenshot there. Quickly Total Security has many more things for setting. Just I will show you one by one video regularly. Please watch my video. You can learn many more things. This is the good job, means completed all the defragmentation, stress clean, everything. Just click on license and you can see the product version is here. This is the new product version of Quickly. Then you click on every menu of the left side given. This is the home and this is the scanning report. After scanning, if any harmful virus will be found, description is here. Then click on protection, all scan. Here is your boot scan, system scan, custom scan, mobile scan, and also here memory scan. These are the scan which was before available. These are these versions of virus, malwares and ransomware protection. Everything is on now. This is the firewall setting under Wi-Fi internet setting. Firewall protection is on also. You check this. This is the minimum setting of this software, and many more settings are available here. I will make videos for you. This is an emergency disk. I will show you in next video how can you create emergency disk for your next computer. If you want to change anything, you have to put your password here. Then you can check your quarantine files. What is quarantine files? I will show you later. Just watch my video and thank you for